My name is Simon Renouf. I'm the Vice President for Product Services and Support at 7SIGNAL. And today I'm joined by the great Jim Barter, our Chief Wireless Officer. I'm going to start up with a very quick overview of 7SIGNAL, how we fit in the market, what we do. 7SIGNAL was founded in Finland in 2007. So we've been around for a little while. We're now headquartered in Cleveland, Ohio, where we moved in 2012-ish. Just before the last time we were here at Field Day in 2013. Our mission since the beginning has been to help our enterprise customers to monitor wireless networks, to identify problems, and to assure quality for mission-critical applications and devices. We have two products, Mobileye and Sapphire Eye. And our customers tend to be large enterprise across a whole range of different segments, from healthcare, manufacturing, distribution, and more recently, retail, enterprise, high-density venues. So good range. So what's changed since 2013 when we were last here? Well, we've moved from an on-premises model with our Sapphire Eye product to a cloud services model. We've seen mission-critical Wi-Fi develop through healthcare and manufacturing. We introduced a new product, a software-only product in Mobileye. We had the remote working revolution, which really helped Mobileye along a lot because we're able to see not just inside the enterprise wireless networks, but also work from home. And really now we're seeing that mission-critical Wi-Fi is here for everyone, from workstations on wheels and clinical workstations in hospitals, pickers and scanners in distribution, manufacturing environments, point-of-sale systems in retail, ticket checking and guest Wi-Fi in large venues, and wireless offices in traditional enterprise. We're finding that the mission that we started in 2007 is more relevant than ever, and perhaps we're a bit before our time. And really where we fit is that we know, as you all know, client side of Wi-Fi, of wireless networks is a source of a large number of issues. Client-side issues with drivers and adapters and endpoint devices with the fragmentation of that ecosystem are a real big cause of problems within Wi-Fi networks. The types of problems that we look at are roaming problems, problems with adapters and drivers, coverage issues, issues with network services, authentication, IP and DNS, all sources of Wi-Fi and non-Wi-Fi interference, and general other issues that occur with wireless LAN design as you get atrophy within a wireless network during the general life cycle. So 7SIGNAL is in a unique position where we're different from other monitoring tools as we monitor from the client's perspective in the network. We're an outside-in solution. And our sensor product in Sapphire Eye and our software product in Mobileye sit on the outside of the network and monitor it from the client's perspective. That gives us the ability to really see what's going on both in the Wi-Fi network, as well as to test end-to-end performance and correlate those things together. That's a little bit different from what a lot of other monitoring tools, what the vendors will do, monitoring their own infrastructure, and what, say, an application performance monitoring tool would do, which is really monitoring performance over Wi-Fi, rather than specifically looking at what's going on at layer 1 and 2, and adding that over-the-top connectivity analysis. So how do we do it? We've got two types of testing in our products. Passive monitoring. So this is things like looking at driver versions, looking at Wi-Fi scans, looking at operating system data about the performance of the device. We have spectral analysis, and we do packet capture and automated analysis of packet capture in the passive space. And then both our products also do active monitoring. That can be association and connectivity testing, as well as active traffic tests, ping, throughput, web downloads, voice quality testing. And this really provides a full visibility into the client experience. Products are a little bit different in their positioning. Mobileye, being a software device, software application, is sitting on real devices and is able to monitor that experience of the real devices in a network. It means we're able to pick up things like roaming, as the devices move around. On the Sapphire Eye side, it's a high performance sensor and it's static and monitoring 24/7. But because we don't have to worry about being intrusive onto the device, then we're able to do some more aggressive testing, shall we say, and really monitor a location 24/7. So Sapphire Eye is a high performance wireless sensor. It's really focused on layer 1 and layer 2 environmental testing, but it also can act as a client and do those active tests in auth, association, as well as throughput tests and performance testing.
Most obvious question first, 6 gigahertz?
6 gigahertz will be next year. Wi-Fi 6, Jim will talk to in a minute.
Very good.
Mobileye is a very lightweight agent that sits out on end user devices. We have support for Windows, for Mac, for Linux, for iGelOS, as well as for Android. We really, in this product, we piggyback on the user experience. So we're trying not to do anything that's disruptive to general user experience. We really want to see that real user experience as passively as possible. It's a 100% software product. We are able to get MCS from all of our platforms. We use that as a key metric of wireless experience. We have automated problem detection and root cause analysis. So it's not just about, is the experience good or bad? It's about what's wrong with the network and what the causes are.
Is that reported local to the end user's laptop, or does that only get reported back into your system and then?
Currently, that's brought back into the system for administrative access. We can search for the devices, so we do support reactive troubleshooting, but we're not providing direct end user support at this stage. It's designed as a transparent tool for IT operations to get visibility into experience and to be able to be more proactive rather than reactive in their support.
So it just runs in the background.
Runs in the background.
The user doesn't even know it's there.
Exactly.
And is the Mobileye instance locally significant to your installation? Or like if you take a scanner from one organization to another organization, it just continues to report it to the cloud and sort of agnostic of everything?
Yeah, the data, the application is registered to an organization. So any data that it collects is sent to that organization's instance. Yeah.
So even if someone's at home and they're saying their Wi-Fi is terrible, IT would be able to look into it and tell them what's wrong.
Absolutely. Yeah, we have a few IT departments that are willing to go and support those users. That's been a challenge through COVID that some IT departments are taking up. And the work from home use case is obviously one where you have no visibility. None of the existing monitoring tools are going to help you with that.